Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a captivating topic, myth versus reality in space exploration. There are so many myths that have captured our imagination, but what's fact and what's fiction? Let's explore. Our first myth is that we never landed on the moon. This theory has persisted since the Apollo missions in the late 1960s, with conspiracy theorists claiming it was staged. But here's the truth. Numerous missions left behind irrefutable evidence, like moon rocks, iconic photographs, and retroreflectors that scientists still use to measure the distance from Earth to the moon. Next, let's tackle the myth that space is completely empty. While it may seem vast and void, space isn't a total vacuum. It contains dust, gas, and even cosmic rays. In fact, certain areas are filled with particles, showing that space is a lot more crowded than we often imagine. Segment 3, Myth 3, astronauts float because there's no gravity host. Here's another common misconception. Astronauts float in space because there's no gravity. The reality is that gravity exists everywhere in space, including on the International Space Station. The floating sensation comes from a state called free fall, where the ISS is constantly falling toward Earth while moving forward fast enough to keep missing it, creating a microgravity environment. Segment 4, Myth 4, you can hear sounds in space host. Next up, the myth that you can hear sounds in space. Since space is a vacuum, sound waves can't travel without a medium. So when you watch epic space battles in movies, remember, they're completely silent. Segment 5, Myth 5, the Great Wall of China is visible from space host, and finally, the Great Wall of China is visible from space. While it's an incredible structure, astronauts have confirmed that it's actually tough to see from low Earth orbit without assistance. Natural features of Earth are far more visible. Conclusion, recap, and invitation to engage host. Space is full of wonders and misconceptions. As we explore the universe, it's essential to distinguish between fact and fiction. If you enjoyed today's journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content on space exploration. What myths have you encountered about space? Share with us in the comments below.